Welcome back to the Bronco Nation, your place for all things Bronco. Today we're going to be showing you how to install this TrailRax Roof Rack on your Ford Bronco. The TrailRax Roof Rack offers a ton of ways to mount gear and tools to your Bronco for your next adventure. This project will take 4 to 6 hours to complete, and you'll need an extra set of hands to lift the rack in place. These are the tools you'll need to finish the job. We'll be installing the roof rack as well as these pack racks, which mount to the roof rack and give you additional storage right here on the side of your Bronco. First, with the hardtop removed, unbolt the 3 10mm bolts along the top of the rear fender. Then place the bottom mounting bracket on the fender with a washer under each bolt hole and use the factory hardware to secure it in place. Then repeat the process on the other side. Next, attach both mounting brackets onto the aluminum extrusion, hand tighten, and repeat the process on the other side. Then place the windshield assembly onto the Bronco's accessory-ready threaded studs and adjust it so it's equally spaced on both sides. Then tighten the brackets down. Then install the 10 button head bolts, washers, and T-nuts onto the wind deflector plate and keep them loose. Now we're installing a 40-inch Heretic light bar, so we'll put that on at this step, mounting it to the windshield assembly. Then install all 8 aluminum extrusions to the rails using the provided hardware, including the windshield assembly. Once tight, place the roof rack back onto the Bronco hardtop. Now comes the most difficult part of this installation, mounting the windshield brackets to the accessory-ready threaded studs using the 7/16 nylon nuts. I found that it was easiest to use a pair of needle nose pliers, drop the nuts on both threaded studs, then tighten them with a 7/16 ratcheting box wrench. Next, mount the inner and outer clamp to the driver and passenger side rails using the button head bolts, washers, and nylon nuts. Finally, place the pack rats assembly on the inside face of the lower mounting bracket and then bolt them on using the button head bolts, washers, and nuts. So that's it. The roof rack is installed and it looks great. We'll put links in the description below where you can pick one of these up if you want to put one on your Bronco. And remember, Bronco Nation members get exclusive pricing at the Bronco Nation store. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to stick around. We're going to be putting more parts on this Bronco, getting it ready for the trail.